No. Yeah, Ocean Grill Seafood. We are now at Ocean Grill Seafood Buffet, Norfolk, Virginia. Wow. Let's go. Sakit ng pa ako. Sa pilantod.
Sabi ko, bumili ka nung napupul na
Tungkod, yan.
Dahil, hindi, lalo mahirapan ang paano pag ganun.
Wow. Ano, magbabayad muna? Oo, upo ka na lang. Yeah. Wow. Look at the food, oh. Ayan, oh. Okay. Ito may shrimp din, oh. May mga legs din, oh. No? Wow. No, titignan ko muna. Dami, may soup, oh. Soup. Wow. Parang sa vapor to me, ah.
Oo, parang katulad. Sobrang katulad sa kanila.
Yeah.
Katabi yung soup yan.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sabi lang nila mas
Mhm. Yeah. Galing, no? Ano? Oh.
Anong tricks niya?
Ha?
Anong tricks niya?
Cook.
Coke? Diet?
Oh, hindi, ah.
Regular to?
Mhm. Ikaw, anong cook?
Share with us.
Cook. Cook.
Yeah, regular Coke.
Yeah, two
Uh-huh.
regular Coke. Hindi mo.
Is that can? You have can Coke? Can.
We don't have it.
You don't have can? Okay, so
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, two Coke.
two Coke, yeah.
They are from the...
Oh, yeah.